Wagner are appearing by video from the Justice Center, President Courtroom representing the states and Congress and on both. The grand jury of this county returned an indictment against you this morning, Mr. Pierson, and charges you with aggravated murder, which is a felony, and that carries a possible sentence of life imprisonment. You are also indicted for tampering with evidence, a third-degree felony that carries a possible sentence of 9 to 36 months in 3- and 6-month increments. You're also indicted for abuse of the corpse, which carries a possible sentence of 6 to 12 months. There are also fines associated with each of those offenses. Now, Mr. Wagner, I believe your client is indigent, has submitted an affidavit. Yes, there it is. Pierson, is everything on this affidavit been faxed up? Actually, this is the original. Is everything on this affidavit correct?
Nothing changed.
Okay. All right. Well, it does appear that you qualify for appointment of counsel. All right, the court has determined that due to the nature of this offense that the court will appoint co-counsel in this matter, and the appointment is hereby made of J.D. Wagner, Hillsborough, Ohio, and Bruce Wallace, Mount Horeb, Ohio, will be appointed to represent you, Mr. Pierson. Mr. Wagner, I know your client only had the indictment. You have a copy of the indictment here, by the way?
Yes, sir.
All right, I know you've only had it for an hour or two. Your client does have a right to wait 24 hours before entering the plea. Does he wish to wait, or wish to go ahead and proceed?
We would waive 24-hour period, Your Honor, and enter as not guilty to plead all counts.
All right. All right, the first pretrial in this matter will be set for October the 5th at 1 o'clock. Pretrial will be set for October 31st at 9 a.m., final pretrial, I should say, and then trial jury will be November the 8th at 8 a.m. Looking through the file, I believe, is the rest date August 12th?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, dated out of midnight, early morning hours.
Okay, well, that puts an initial speedy trial date of November the 10th until such time as there are pre-trial motions that will be filed. And Mr. Wagner, the assignment commissioner did check with Mr. Wallace's days, count he's available on those days. So,
Yes, sir.
and I spoke with him, so he can, if you would get in touch with him and communicate and arrange to start working in this matter. All right, now, in matter of bail, anything from the state regarding bail?
Exhibited bail request for Your Honor, and we would request bail remaining as it was in the municipal court at $500,000.
Mr. Wagner, anything regarding bail?
Your Honor, we would just reserve the right at a later date to file a modification on that issue.
All right. Well, the court will set bond in the amount of $500,000 plus an OR. The OR is your agreement to pay, or to appear as required, Mr. Pierson, should you be released on bail at some point in the future. The payer did that with subjection to being prosecuted for an additional felony and convicted sentence on that. Conditions of that, we have to pay $148 in service fees, and the court issues a standard order regarding pretrial supervision in the event you do postpone. All right, is there anything further, Mr. Wagner?
Not on behalf, Your Honor.
Anything from the state?
No, Your Honor, I did advise Mr. Wagner prior to the start of the hearing that most of our evidence is contained on a flash drive, which is a bigger test that he
and two, so that, make one for Mr. Wallace as well. All right. Anything else?
No, sir.